Okay, this is my life, part 3. That so the video. We were going down there, and I didn't know it was off. You do shut. This is the house. If you know, I'm gonna be doing a house tour. Cars. There's more cars than this. It's another car, but they went to the store. So, thanks for watching. This is part 3, and yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and that's when I show anything on my life part 2. So thank you. Share, comment, subscribe, and watch more of my YouTube videos. And my part 2 and my part 1 will be in the description box below when the video is over. So this is the world. This is a big house. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Over and out.